Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a real-time report in Looker Studio. Step by step, beginner-friendly, and updated for 2026. If you want to monitor live website traffic, campaigns, or business performance, this guide will help you set it up quickly. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank report where we'll build your real-time dashboard. Next, connect a real-time data source. Click Add Data and select Google Analytics. Make sure to choose a GA4 property. Looker Studio automatically supports real-time metrics like active users, engagement, and events. Start with key metrics. Add scorecards for active users, sessions, and events. These give a quick snapshot of what's happening on your website right now. So yeah, you can see activity as it happens. Now add visualizations. A time series chart with minute level granularity is perfect to show live trends. You can also use tables or bar charts to display top pages, sources, or campaigns in real time. Make the dashboard interactive by adding filters. For example, filter by traffic source, device type, or region. This helps you focus on specific parts of your real-time traffic without changing the report structure. Clean up your layout, align charts, resize scorecards, and add text labels. A professional layout makes it easier to understand the data at a glance. Before sharing, click View to test the real-time updates, confirm that metrics refresh automatically and filters work correctly. Finally, click Share and give access to your team or stakeholders. Since it's web-based, anyone with permission can view the live report. And that's how to create a real-time report in Looker Studio in 2026. Fast, interactive, and beginner-friendly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials.